Dr Felix Yamoah Cardiologist anase obi a ohwe akoma ene emoja odi emu afrote ene esane ene nyina no Doc Yamoah akwa abado ba Asempa94.7
Yo mejo so mimi abema
Papa na pomti se
nyame adom na me muswe
yeho ade acheye na se de wote nwuma na me boyi adom a Yesu ode acheme eye obesie akoma ho asem ya ye nam ho nyina ye nyini emoja nam ye mu ye widie mu ye mre ya pomu ye mre ye kase mu ye mre nemo no ase ye nam ho aye ho ode so se ye ho nye de papa kan bi kire ye titu ye ne wa Abrokyire ye ko ne ye ba obetia ne se obi awu adada mu for 2 weeks obi awu adada mu for abia 1 month afi na ye hu nachi na police akobu preni ne akofa ne ko papa edie na akofa ba ene obetia ne se obi akoma esizi ama ye de no eco hospital wa ye nyamedia papa etio
yo minya be ma me di ntiama watiefo nyina se asem na okano asema ehunhia pa yemianum bebre wa Abrokyire se ayana yentan check ye ho se yawie bi bebre bi wo ye ho an bia na elu yemfa baako enye example se mujaboso ebi wo ha na onam ne bia ne tiye ne ya na wakofa paracetamol no anom on checking the blood pressure but ebia na mujaboso na ekoso sa etipaye no inti obehwe one day na ni muja boso no akoso ama no sa ne kusisa ebia obetimenya stroke na se ubu se na utrimu no hapai na muja enyo agutrim moja no su boso no blood pressure ni timi cause sa amount to be all unconscious it be wa monya stroke inti I know one of the reasons yemi anu bebre bia oho na asematu fi ono kwa na tie na the blood pressure cause but when you say blood pressure crowd because on check it na obetimi afamu ada so begin stroke and na say they make in muja ada oniti na because Abrokyire bi kopo bi ha no mkwa omote oni adamfo ana bibita no so bia embisa na se no say no that them bia wonya stroke and na say they make no muja pai oniti stroke ni omo akodo bibiri yo de ma enfan say unti no mu esisi na say unti no pai ema muja yuguti but ebetimi abata ni mi nyina obetimi unconscious na odaho nti obia amehwehwe wase a obetimi afam awu and apart from muja boso no there are other causes ma nkofo etimi follow unconscious ebi ha na wakoma yare sometimes ebia na mana okoku ya ye bibi kakra bia na wa breath no obu ha na eyesa maybe our painkiller onko mayen check no nti no so sa no betimi apemonya heart attack na heart attack ni bi sini se nti na supply wakoma na nkasa no ebu ha na imuasi nti wakoma no enya moja a betimi ga ye adwuma na astofo ebu oswa nya bibia bokume e ka say heart rhythm disturbance na sa akoma no electricity bi wo na electricity na wo mu no normally no eno na ma wakoma ebo regularly but esa na ase electricity na fa wakoma mu no fire nti na wakoma no ebo basabasa na ebo 10 eno sa no kofo bebreti mi fam ewu se obi ama eno ne friend sudden cardiac death inti I know some of the causes are and so forth. But sometimes I am not amount some indications that the macrobia now tio na so kokoyo ya na se ona take akrabia no abre but almost more and check it. Into the most important thing is that there are certain risk factors they are especially from the age of 14 bina makaise mojabusu ebini esisi yare ebu also na moja no cholesterol levels was ebu also no cigarette ebu also na yare bi say asthma was so and na yo yare bi so no your friend no ebiana ya tete pulmonary embolism and no senkofo amu enye active ebia not faako na wanya ebia friend deep vein thrombosis na say moja no nitini no awo na ni na ada yesa tini fa mu ekọ wo lungs mu na block o lung arteries no and also so etini mankofo from ebia all of a sudden bones untimi for me no and papa na ama etini ma collapse because pulmonary embolism no say we are etini ma collapse and also so sa no kofo bibiri o ho a o mutimi fa wu sa it causes there said the mechano there will be but obia no there are ways how betimi ahwe how betimi dey abbo ho ban and he say one pressure o man na wa check it so for pharmacy shop for example on betimi a check your amount and you take bia na so for hospital obi also so one kasa o betimi a blood pressure measurement now they are measure okay and no easy to measure we say by 5 minutes they are teaching upper arm now one measure so say automated ones very easy into one kasa with matter blood pressure measuring apparatus maybe now they are checking your pressure from time to time no I feel the pressure ni okay normally the pressure no say below 140 to 90 and that is okay the below 140 to 90 that is unya mojabusu into here we are very simple we know from time to time I bet mama who say blood pressure no if you also announce it being so
right
and regular exercises said the mechanic say what if I can and exama sa deep vein thrombosis no I also pulmonary embolism into exercises just about preventing deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism name for your general health protect your coma and then you be said diabetes and now please so sugar no so wa na wa check it from time to time we call pharmacy shopper and also call doctor for better check your and our cholesterol levels until I say we be our from time to time certain small things we are better preventive but generally say we are there are simple health normal yes ebeboa omo cigarette for example best stop cigarette omo exercises exercises from time to time about 30 minutes 5 times a week enough and I will give you so over share do more vegetables more fruit balanced diet na what alcohol so these are some of the things and I'm making from time to time now I check it for blood pressure and sugar. We have very much from the age of 40, 50, no, or more no apart check it. Be a friend of prostate specific antigen, PSA, and no, say be a prostate cancer. The two moja, a bit my indications. We say, sir, risk no. Okay. BBI ya fa hono yeah and now do at the age of 50 so cancer is you say we'll share from time to time. To cause maybe I bear your endoscopy, let us say colonoscopy, the route to near the share will soon be a cancer be or her.
Right.
But these are some normal a bit media boy at home bank.
Doc, the waka be the waka nurse a dose dear, but a yajina febu. O can Abrokyire for there said okay, a crata sem. And about a binimum timinko. But yet, 18 or Ghana crown, the same thing. But your chrome has no equipment, and I say machines are maybe they buy many tea who machines are a gummin body who are a yemi who jumano. Menai crana, that baby no crano, machine chest, no, I say no crown a home, and menai a home woman, and just a any buaha. It's any of us no. Kwan beso training ye training yetimi nante ye jaika yika ye se fa trotro e bia nante bi but still obehu an say kum no obi etofom say okọ blackout che say okọ off then I be catch yes say what has say in 5 minutes.
In fact one of the most common causes no blood pressure no moja BP no be cause. And I said, the cocoa baby more pressure was so, but only because someone check it. It is that simple. Say, over checking BP from time to time. Oko pharmacy shop as the only machine here. Oko pharmacy shop from time to time. On be check your mouth.
Right.
Now we be checking regularly. Say the hypertension is common. Adults. Kebe advisable say ubia no benya sa blood pressure measuring apparatus maybe.
Oh, fee.
Now, while waiting me, I measure from time to time.
Right.
And the boy who share the benefit, I'll be to many a few months.
Right.
And but to me, afford call pharmacy shop from time to time. On be check your amount. Hypertension is one of the common causes of that problem. I can want and must cook. Now, the mechanic to go a bit more studying. Well, we are very unconscious. Now, sometimes only lucky to recover. So, very recover. If you are now in a major stroke, or if you are now family adult.
Right.
You see, I had hypertension, and I think of